I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, park level and set the parking brake because stability matters. Once done, open the hood or lift the rear seat, locate the battery and take a quick photo for orientation. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection. Batteries contain acid and can spark. First actionable step, disconnect the negative terminal, black, using a 10 mm wrench. This prevents shorts. Then remove the positive plus red terminal. Keep bolts and clamps together so you don't lose them. Once the terminals are off and protected, remove the hold-down clamp. Use a socket or wrench and lift the battery straight up because tipping spills acid. You'll likely handle 20+ pounds. Use safe posture. Before installing the new unit, clean the cable ends and terminal clamps with baking soda paste to neutralize corrosion, then scrub with a wire brush and dry. When placing the new battery, seat it firmly, secure the clamp, and then connect the positive, plus, terminal first to avoid accidental. After connecting the positive, attach the negative. Cable last and tighten snug but not over-torqued. Over-tightening can crack terminals. Once connected, start the Jeep to confirm a clean crank and check the dash for warning lights. Make sure electronics like the radio and clock are reset if they lost memory. If the vehicle doesn't start, first double-check terminal tightness and clamp cleanliness. Loose or corroded connections are the most common issue. If still no start, try a jump or measure battery voltage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.